Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to delete a Chime account. So if you got a Chime account and you want to delete that, this video is for you. So let's get right into it. The first method is deleting accounts through the Chime mobile app. So first you want to do, of course, is to go ahead and open the mobile app on your mobile device, log into your account, and then tap the settings icon, which is the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the account section, tap close accounts, then confirm that you want to close the account. Follow the prompts to complete the account closure process. That's the first step. The second method is to delete accounts through the Chime website. First thing you want to do, of course, is to log into your Chime account on the Chime official website. Then click on your name or profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Click settings from the drop down menu. Scroll down to account section. Click close accounts and confirm that you want to close your account. You just have to follow the prompts to complete the account closure process. Same thing. And of course, there are some requirements to deleting your Chime account. The first is to ensure that your account balance is zero before closing your account. Otherwise, you are going to lose all your all the money you got there. The second is to verify that there are no pending transactions or transfers. So you got to make sure that any pending transfer is settled before you go ahead and close your account. The third, of course, is to ensure that you have no outstanding debt or overdrafts. So you got to take note of these three. And of course, I got a couple of tips for you guys. The first is to verify that your account has been closed and you receive a notification email. So until you receive that notification email, assume that your account hasn't been closed yet. So you gotta stick it through to the end. The second, of course, is to download or review your account history before closing your account, in case you want to go through records and stuff. The third, of course, is to reach out to Chime support if you have any issues closing your accounts. So the support is always there for you guys to make use of. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, of course, and comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.